Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to fix the Monopoly Go app if it isn't working or loading properly. I will be showing you some ways that could help on an iPhone. So if you find that the Monopoly Go app is taking ages to load, then there are some ways that you can help that. So first of all, you might want to check if the app needs an update. So what you want to do is go into the App Store. You want to search for Monopoly Go. So we're going to type it in. Amazing. Okay, so as you can see, it says open. If there was an update that needed to be done, it would say update. So what you would do is click on the update button and then it would update the app for you. But as it says open, this is telling us that we have got the latest version of Monopoly Go, so we don't need to do an update. So we would then just go into it and press open. At least we know it's all up to date. Another way to do is to restart your iPhone. So what you want to do is turn it off, and when it then comes up, you want to slide the button, the power button, to the right, and then it will turn your phone off for you. So once you've turned your phone back on, you then want to go back into the Monopoly Go. You want to load up the Monopoly Go app and see if that helps. Another thing to check is your phone's capability with the app. Make sure that your device meets the app system requirements. If for some reason your device isn't compatible, then the app will not run properly. Another thing to check is to delete your cache from the Monopoly Go game. So what you can do is you can go into settings, go down to general, go to iPhone storage, and then we want to find the Monopoly Go app when it comes up. So we're going to scroll down, find the Monopoly Go app. We can press the blue offload app, and then we will press the red delete app. So what we're doing is deleting that app, and then we will reinstall the app by going into the App Store. These are just a few things that you can do to help your Monopoly Go app run faster. I really hope that this video has helped you. If you can hit the like and subscribe button, it really helps our channel and we really appreciate it. So thank you so much, and I'll see you again in the next video.